At its core, the Wankel engine operates on the same four-stroke principles as a conventional internal combustion engine: intake, compression, power, and exhaust. However, the method of execution is entirely unique. Instead of pistons moving up and down within cylinders, the Wankel engine uses a triangular rotor that spins inside an oval-shaped housing. The process. Step by step. Intake. As the rotor rotates, one of its three chambers expands, drawing in a precise mixture of air and fuel through an intake port. This happens smoothly, without the jerking motion typical of piston engines. Compression. The chamber carrying the fuel-air mixture moves toward the narrower part of the housing. Here, the rotor compresses the mixture, preparing it for ignition. Power. Combustion. A spark plug ignites the compressed mixture, generating an explosion that pushes the rotor further along its path. This is the stage where energy is created and transmitted directly to the output shaft in a continuous circular motion. Exhaust. Finally, the rotor moves to a point where the spent gases are expelled through an exhaust port. As the rotor turns, a new chamber begins the process, creating a seamless cycle of operation. This elegant rotary motion eliminates many components found in traditional engines, such as connecting rods, camshafts, and valves. This simplicity allows for fewer moving parts, resulting in a lightweight, compact engine with minimal vibration. The history of the Wankel engine, the early years. The concept of a rotary engine dates back to the early 20th century, but it was Felix Wankel, a German engineer and inventor, who brought the idea to life. Wankel envisioned an engine that would eliminate the complexity and inefficiencies of piston engines. By the 1920s, he had begun working on his design, and by the 1950s, he succeeded in creating a functional prototype. Wankel's invention caught the attention of automakers, particularly NSU Motorenwerke AG, a German company that became the first to produce vehicles using rotary engines. The NSU Spider, launched in 1964, became the world's first production car powered by a Wankel engine. Mazda's rotary revolution. While NSU laid the groundwork, it was Mazda, a Japanese automaker, that truly championed the rotary engine. In the 1960s, Mazda licensed Wankel's technology and developed its own versions, culminating in the legendary Mazda Cosmosport in 1967. Mazda's engineering team, led by Kenichi Yamamoto, resolved many of the engine's initial flaws, such as apex seal durability and overheating issues. The success of the Cosmo paved the way for Mazda's RX series, including iconic models like the RX-7 and RX-8. These cars became synonymous with the rotary engine, delivering high-revving performance, smooth acceleration, and a distinctive exhaust note that set them apart from traditional piston-powered vehicles. Challenges and decline. Despite its innovations, the Wankel engine faced significant challenges that limited its widespread adoption. Fuel efficiency. Wankel engines often consumed more fuel than their piston counterparts, making them less economical. Oil consumption. To maintain proper sealing between the rotor and housing, small amounts of oil were burned during operation, leading to higher emissions. Emissions compliance. As environmental regulations tightened in the late 20th century, it became increasingly difficult for rotary engines to meet emissions standards. Apex seal wear. The engine's apex seals, the components that create a seal between the rotor and housing, were prone to wear, resulting in reduced efficiency and reliability over time. By the early 2000s, these issues, combined with the rising popularity of hybrid and electric vehicles, led to the decline of rotary engines in mass-market applications. The Mazda RX-8, produced until 2012, was the last production car to feature a rotary engine. Applications beyond automobiles. The Wankel engine's unique characteristics have made it a versatile power source in various fields. Aviation. Its lightweight and compact design has been utilized in small aircraft, drones, and experimental planes. Rotary engines are valued for their smooth operation and low vibration, which contribute to a more comfortable flying experience. Motorcycles. Manufacturers like Suzuki and Norton experimented with rotary engines in motorcycles, offering high performance in a compact package. Racing. The rotary engine achieved notable success in motorsports. Mazda's 787B, powered by a four-rotor Wankel engine, won the 24 Hours of Le Mans in 1991, cementing its place in racing history. Industrial and marine uses. Rotary engines have been employed in generators, pumps, and marine vehicles due to their reliability and high power output. The future of the Wankel engine. While the Wankel engine is no longer a mainstream technology, it continues to captivate engineers and enthusiasts. Mazda has announced plans to reintroduce rotary engines as range extenders for hybrid electric vehicles. Advances in materials science and combustion technology may also address the historical drawbacks of rotary engines, such as apex seal wear and emissions. The Wankel engine's legacy endures as a symbol of creative thinking and engineering excellence. It challenges conventional notions of engine design and inspires ongoing innovation in the pursuit of efficiency, performance, and simplicity. Why the Wankel engine matters. The Wankel engine represents more than just an alternative to piston engines. It embodies the spirit of ingenuity and the willingness to challenge established norms. Its design has influenced countless engineers and remains a testament to the power of imagination in overcoming technical barriers. As the world transitions to electric propulsion, the Wankel engine's story reminds us of the importance of diversity in design and the enduring appeal of mechanical elegance. Closing remark. The Wankel engine may not dominate the roads or skies today, but its contribution to engineering history is undeniable. Its innovative design continues to inspire, proving that even the most unconventional ideas can leave a lasting impact. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and hit that subscribe button for more awesome content. And turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update.